Again. Okay, that one went good. Alright, seems to be working. Cleared. Not too bad. Function test is a pass. Alright, just giving y'all a quick look at an American Tactical. This is the 410 upper. It fits on an AR lower. Over at Primary Arms, they sent everything you need. Switch it out. Pretty simple. I got it topped off with the True Glow 1x4 because I'm not going to be going over 100 yards with it with slugs. It's smooth bore. It is smooth bore, 18-inch barrel. Not too bad from what I've got with it so far. I'll probably be doing about 50 yards, 75 yards max shots with this thing, with slugs using it. I'm going to try to take a couple of pigs and a deer down this year with it and see how it goes. And True Glow 1x4, I'm really liking these. If you haven't looked at their optics a lot, you should. They're solid. They're beyond reasonably priced for the quality of what you get. But there you go. This is just a quick look at it. And there you are. All right, here we go. Just going to do a grouping. Got these BPS slugs. 410, they're 36 caliber slugs. About 50 yards. Just seeing how well they group, if it's actually going to be huntable or not. Here we go. Let's just see if we can group these or not. Okay. There's that one. I'm going to do another quick 3. Let's see about raising. Negative. Alright, here we go. Got the group all staying right here. It's within a 4 by roughly 3-inch grid. So, it is what it is. I can handle that. 50 yards. I'm not planning on going